I'm going to show you how you can find a mushroom island on Minecraft. Now, it depends on what kind of context you want to search it on. If you want to do it without cheats and without commands and you're playing survival, then first off, you'll have to find an ocean biome like this and make sure it's deep, right? So the ocean is pretty deep because mushroom islands can only spawn on deep oceans, right? So once you find an ocean large like this, just search around for it and then hopefully you find one, although it is pretty rare. Now, I'm going to show you two other methods to find it. First off, we're going to use commands. If you want to use commands, you can press on T, and then I'm going to paste in this command right here. You can just pause the video and then retype the command. It's locate biome Minecraft and then colon mushroom fields. And then when I press enter, you can see it'll give a coordinates of that mushroom island right there. Now, if we go ahead and go to that coordinate, we can go ahead and find a mushroom island biome. If you want to teleport really quickly, you can just click on the coordinates here. You can see click on teleport and then just type in enter. And then we'll be teleported onto the mushroom island biome here. Let's just give it a second to load here. You may be teleported inside of like a field here. Let me just open it up and here it is. You can see a mushroom island biome just like this. Now I'm going to show you one more method where you can find this. First off, you want to type in on T and then you want to type in /seed. Now that's your Minecraft seed, right? I'm going to click on T and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to head over onto a website here called Chunk Paste, right? Now this is a website called Chunk Paste. You want to go to chunkpaste.com and you want to go to apps. Now on apps, you can click on biome here. And then on here, you want to type in the seed you got earlier. I'm just going to paste that in. And then you can see this is what our world will look like. And with this map, you can find a mushroom island biome. You just have to search around for it, right? Now from this map, you can scroll down and you can click on highlight biomes. And then we want to find a mushroom island biome here, right? So a mushroom field, right? Just click on that. And you can see this is what it will look like. You can find it and then you can see in the coordinates down there. You can see X2187 and Z17841.